Hello everyone, welcome to Fasahar Zamani. I am Rufai Sani. Today we brought you a tutorial on how to download and install Corel Draw on your PC for free. Firstly, don't forget subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get a notification whenever we upload a new video. When you have any problem during installation or you have a question, you can comment it on the comment section. We are right here to help you guys out. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you understand all what we are discussing. Let's dig into it.
Firstly, you are going to the location where your file is located. How to download it? You are going to right click on the zip file to extract it. I already extract my own, so double click on the folder. Then open this folder. Then double click on setup. Click on continue, leave everything and click on next. Then click on this first one. You are going to exercise patient during installation of Corel Draw. Maybe it can take 15 minutes or 2 minutes. It's depending on the speed of your system. So you need to exercise patient, get back and relax everything. So as you can see that I increased the speed of the video so that we should save time. Then in here you don't have to click anything, just need to cancel this one. Do not click, just cancel it. If you do not cancel it, you have to do it. Then click on this. Then you are going back to the folder and click on the craft folder. Then you are going to copy those two files and go to this PC, your C drive, then program files. Open Corel folder, Corel Draw, and you're gonna open this folder and right click and paste it here. Click on replace, click on continue, click on continue again. Now you are going to open your Corel Draw. You will get it for free without buying anything. You are going to get the pro version for free. As you can see, I'm opening my Corel Draw right now. So as you can see that the program has successfully done. If you do not get this screen, this means you have problem during installation. You can comment in the comment section so that